Here is something that the premium knife industry does not want you to know. The gap between a $300 production knife and a sub-$100 production knife has never been smaller than it is right now in 2026. Never. Not in the entire history of modern knife manufacturing. Because something extraordinary has happened in the blade industry over the last several years. Something driven by advances in steel manufacturing technology, CNC machining precision, heat treatment science, and global manufacturing competition that has fundamentally changed what is possible in a knife that does not demand a premium investment to own. Blade steels that were exclusively found on knives costing $200 and above just 5 years ago are now appearing on sub-$100 production knives from manufacturers who have figured out that the fastest way to build a loyal knife community following is to deliver genuinely premium performance at an investment level that does not require a significant financial commitment to experience. Today we are counting down 7 of the absolute finest knives blades that do not compromise on blade steel, do not compromise on handle construction, do not compromise on edge geometry, and do not compromise on field performance simply because they are accessible to anyone who takes their knife carry seriously. Let's count them down. Number 7. Mora Garberg Full Tang Fixed Blade. Opening our countdown at number 7 is the Mora Garberg Full Tang. And this knife has a story that the serious knife community has been telling and retelling for years because it is exactly the kind of story that changes how people think about value, performance, and what a production knife can honestly deliver when a manufacturer with genuine engineering credibility decides to produce their absolute finest fixed blade without compromise. The Garberg represents a historic departure for Mora, their first ever full tang fixed blade, designed specifically to answer the serious hard-use market that had always respected Mora's blade geometry and steel quality while questioning whether a partial tang construction could handle the most demanding field applications. With the Garberg, Mora answered that question definitively and permanently. The blade is constructed from Sandvik 14C28N stainless steel, a premium Swedish stainless alloy specifically engineered for knife blade applications. Hardened to 57 to 59 HRC, delivering outstanding edge retention through sustained hard field use, while providing the corrosion resistance that makes this blade genuinely maintenance-friendly in outdoor environments, ranging from coastal maritime exposure to jungle humidity to alpine moisture. The Scandinavian grind applied to the Garberg blade is one of the finest convex edge geometries in the production knife market, producing a cutting edge that is simultaneously exceptionally sharp for precision tasks and remarkably durable for hard camp applications, including moderate battening and sustained wood processing. The blade is 3.9 inches with a spine thickness of 3.2 millimeters. Compact enough for fine detail carving and precise food preparation, while substantial enough to handle the hard-use demands that serious outdoor enthusiasts place on their primary field knife. Total knife length is 8.9 inches and total weight is 6 ounces. Number 6. CIVIVI Elementum Folding Knife. This folding knife has earned its position on this countdown through a combination of blade steel quality, manufacturing precision, and carry practicality that makes it one of the most consistently celebrated and most genuinely impressive sub-$100 folding knives in the entire production knife market in 2026. The Elementum immediately challenges every assumption about what a knife at this investment level can deliver. Because when you hold it for the first time, the fit and finish, the smoothness of the blade deployment, the quality of the handle materials, and the precision of the overall construction feel like a knife costing significantly more than its accessible price. The blade is constructed from D2 tool steel, a high-carbon, high-chromium, semi-stainless tool steel that delivers outstanding edge retention through sustained everyday carry use combined with the toughness that daily field applications demand from a blade that gets used consistently and carried constantly in varying environmental conditions. The modified sheep's foot blade profile with a flat grind produces an edge of exceptional sharpness and cutting efficiency for every application from precise detail work to sustained utility cutting. The handle is constructed from G10 scales over a stainless steel liner with an ergonomic contouring that seats comfortably in the hand for every grip position while remaining slim enough for effortless front pocket carry throughout an entire day without discomfort or awareness. The thumb stud deployment allows rapid one-handed blade opening from any carry position in any environmental condition. The liner lock provides secure blade retention during every cutting application at every force level. The deep carry pocket clip positions the knife discreetly below the pocket line for complete invisibility in professional environments. Total blade length is 2.96 inches and total weight is 2.47 ounces. Number 5. Ontario Rat Model 1 Folding Knife. this folding knife has achieved something genuinely extraordinary in the production knife market. It has become the universally acknowledged benchmark against which every other sub-$100 folding knife is measured by serious knife enthusiasts, professional reviewers, and hard-use practitioners across the entire knife community. The RAT Model 1 is not just a good knife at a reasonable investment level. It is the knife that established what good means at this investment level and forced every competing manufacturer to match its standard. A folding knife specification that prioritizes field performance, lock reliability, and hard-use durability above every other design consideration. The result is a folding knife with no weaknesses, no compromises, and no apologies for what it is. A working knife built to handle everything a working knife will ever be asked to do. The blade is constructed from AUS 8 stainless steel hardened to 57 to 59 HRC, a Japanese stainless alloy that delivers solid edge retention through sustained hard use combined with good corrosion resistance for carry in variable environmental conditions and straightforward field sharpenability that keeps the blade performing without specialized maintenance equipment. The drop point blade profile provides outstanding versatility for the complete range of everyday and field cutting applications. The flat grind produces a lean cutting edge that moves through materials with efficiency and precision. The liner lock mechanism is executed with a quality and reliability that exceeds what this investment level would normally suggest. The handle is constructed from nylon with an aggressive texture, providing outstanding grip security in demanding conditions. Ambidextrous thumb studs allow rapid one-handed deployment. The reversible clip accommodates multiple carry positions. Total blade length is 3.625 inches and total weight is 5 ounces. Number 5. Ontario RAT Model 1FO. Number 4. Buck Knives 119 Special Fixed Blade. This fixed blade occupies a position in American outdoor knife culture that goes so far beyond its specifications that describing it purely in terms of blade steel and handle materials would genuinely miss most of what makes this knife so significant, so enduring, and so consistently recommended by serious knife users across generations of American outdoor enthusiasts. The outdoor and field carry community in 2026 has embraced the Buck 119 Special with a renewed enthusiasm that reflects a broader cultural movement toward authentic American heritage products that deliver genuine performance backed by real manufacturing history rather than marketing-constructed credibility. The blade is constructed from 420HC stainless steel processed through Paul Boss's legendary heat treatment, a metallurgical process that elevates 420HC from a standard stainless alloy into a blade steel that consistently outperforms its specification in independent testing, delivering edge retention and toughness that experienced reviewers repeatedly identify as remarkable for the alloy category. The clip point blade profile is a classic American hunting and field knife geometry. A strong controlled tip for precision tasks, combined with a broad, generous belly, delivering outstanding slicing performance across every camp and field cutting application. The blade is 6 inches, providing genuine mechanical advantage during hard camp tasks and field work that shorter knives fundamentally cannot deliver through physics alone. The blade spine is substantial throughout, providing structural rigidity for hard use. The genuine leather sheath carries the 119 Special with traditional dignity, matching the knife's 8-decade heritage. Total knife length is 10.875 inches and total weight is 7.2 ounces. Number 3. Gerber StrongArm Fixed Blade. This fixed blade earns its top 3 position through a combination of field-proven military credibility, outstanding blade steel performance, and a complete tactical and survival capability package that makes it one of the most genuinely impressive and most professionally trusted knives available at this investment level in the entire production knife market in 2026. The StrongArm carries the most powerful endorsement that any production knife can receive: genuine documented adoption by branches of the United States Armed Forces as a standard issue field blade for active operational use in the most demanding environments that military service generates. This is not a celebrity endorsement. This is not a sponsor partnership. This is the evaluation outcome of military procurement professionals who test field equipment against the most rigorous performance standards in the world and select the tools that pass those standards for issue to the operators who depend on their gear in genuinely life or death field situations. The blade is constructed from 420HC stainless steel processed through Gerber's proprietary heat treatment, delivering approximately 58 to 60 HRC, substantially better edge retention than standard 420HC. strong corrosion resistance for maritime, jungle, and desert environments, and straightforward field maintenance that keeps the blade performing during operational windows without specialized equipment. The ceramic coating provides enhanced corrosion protection and a completely non-reflective tactical surface appropriate for professional carry. The rubberized diamond texture handle locks the hand in position during every cutting stroke in every environmental condition from jungle heat to Arctic cold. A glass-filled nylon pommel cap is reinforced for emergency glass-breaking applications. Total knife length is 9.8 inches and total weight is 7.2 ounces. Number 2. ESEE 4P Fixed Blade. This fixed blade represents the pinnacle of survival instructor-designed hard-use field capability in a compact, versatile, and practically perfect package that has earned the respect and loyalty of military operators, survival instructors, law enforcement professionals, and serious outdoor practitioners across America through years of documented real-world field performance that no amount of marketing language can manufacture or replace. Every ESEE knife specification reflects the genuine operational requirements those instructors identified through real field experience, not through market research or focus groups, but through years of needing their tools to perform in situations where performance was not optional and failure was not recoverable. The 4P features a blade constructed from 1095 high-carbon steel hardened to 55 to 57 HRC with ESEE's toughness first heat treatment that prioritizes impact resistance and field repairability above every other performance factor. At this heat treatment, the 1095 steel deforms under extreme stress rather than chipping or cracking catastrophically, a survival-critical performance characteristic that means this blade bends before it breaks. And a field-bent blade can sometimes be straightened while fractured blade is simply useless at the worst possible moment. The flat grind transitions cleanly from the 4.5mm thick spine to a lean, aggressive cutting edge performing across every field cutting task the 4P encounters in real operational use. The modified clip point profile provides a reinforced tip geometry for confidence during hard prying and penetration tasks. A defined squared spine edge generates reliable ferro rod sparks for emergency fire starting. ESEE backs the 4P with their unconditional no questions asked lifetime warranty covering everything including user damage, the strongest warranty in the production knife industry. Total knife length is 9 inches. Made in the USA. Number 1. Cold Steel SRK Fixed Blade. A fixed blade that has earned the absolute top position on this countdown through a combination of blade steel toughness, handle construction excellence, and a field performance legacy, so consistent, so thoroughly documented, and so universally respected by the hard-use knife community that its position at the top of this list will surprise nobody who has carried one in real field conditions and understood what they were holding. Cold Steel has built their entire manufacturing reputation on one foundational principle: produce knives that handle the most extreme use cases in the production knife market, and back those claims with real-world testing so demanding and so publicly documented that no competitor can honestly question the results. The SRK is the clearest and most complete expression of that philosophy applied to a fixed blade format designed for the professional and serious recreational user who needs absolute reliability from their primary field knife in every condition the real world generates. The blade is constructed from SK 5 high-carbon steel at Cold Steel's heat treatment, achieving approximately 57 to 59 HRC. A working hardness producing a blade that maintains a sharp cutting edge through sustained aggressive field use, while providing the toughness to handle repeated hard chopping, battening, and the significant lateral impact loads that real survival and rescue knife use generates under genuine operational stress, without chipping, rolling, or showing structural fatigue. The blade is 6 inches, a field-proven length that balances cutting power with carry practicality in a way that shorter blades sacrifice capability and longer blades sacrifice manageability. Cold Steel applies their proprietary anti-corrosion coating, providing rust protection across maritime, jungle, and desert operational environments. Total knife length is 10.875 inches and total weight is 7.5 ounces. In short, it's his best knife in this whole list.